Welcome to our ultimate guide on Linux security, focusing on a crucial aspect, firewall rules. Firewalls are your first line of defense against cyber threats. Today, we'll explore 10 essential rules every Linux user needs to implement. First, a quick refresher on what firewalls do. Essentially, they monitor and control incoming and outgoing network traffic based on predetermined security rules. Now, let's dive into the rules. Rule number 1, always deny by default. Start with a rule that blocks all traffic. Then, only allow specific traffic you trust. This minimizes the potential attack surface. Rule number 2, allow only necessary services. If your system is a web server, allow HTTP and HTTPS, but deny everything else. Less exposure means fewer vulnerabilities. Third, use IP whitelisting. Allow access to trusted IPs only. This is especially useful for administrative services like SSH. Fourth, block traffic from known malicious IP addresses. This might require regularly updated lists so you can automatically discard traffic from these sources. Fifth, close unused ports. Perform regular audits to find and close any open ports that don't align with your necessary services. Sixth, set up rate limiting. This helps to prevent brute force attacks, particularly on login attempts, by limiting the number of requests allowed over a set period. Seventh, log everything. Ensure your firewall is configured to log activity, especially the blocked traffic, to investigate potential threats promptly. Eighth, implement outbound rules. In addition to managing inbound traffic, make sure your firewall restricts unnecessary outbound traffic too. Ninth, keep your firewall software updated. Regular updates contain patches for any discovered vulnerabilities, thus keeping your defenses strong. Finally, our 10th rule is to regularly review and test your firewall settings. Cyber threats evolve, and your rules need to evolve with them. Conduct periodic security assessments and penetration tests to ensure robustness. That wraps up our 10 essential Linux firewall rules. Remember, a strong firewall configuration is fundamental to your system's security. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more insights into Linux and cybersecurity.